Hello students, in this video I'm going to go over Unit 4 review on number 6. In this question, you're being asked to write an equation of a quadratic that has the following descriptions. So once again, drawing a sketch helps. So it has to open down. It has to have a maximum value at 3. So picture 1 to 3, and that is your maximum. And then axis of symmetry at x equals 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When x equals 5, we have an axis of symmetry going. So these two are meeting at this point right here. Specifically, that will be the point of 5, comma 3. And that ends up being your vertex because it's, the maximum. So it has to go down. And then this is the halfway of the parabola symmetrically. So that will be definitely your vertex. It also tells you that the 0 is at x equals 2 because it's telling you how this graph is opening. And remember, the axis of symmetry can also predict what's happening on this other side. But at this point, this is enough information to write an equation because you have a vertex and a point. So you have to look at this 0 as a point, x, y. And you're going to do 2, 0 for that. You have a vertex and a point. So now you're going to think of which equation to use. Are you going to use the standard form? Are you going to use the vertex form? Are you going to use the intercept form? Again, all of these are quadratic equations. You just got to pick which one can you use to write an equation based on the information given. So definitely vertex form because you're given the vertex. We're going to go ahead and write down our template and then substitute your h and k. Where does the h and k come from? It comes from the vertex that you have right here. So h is your x, k is your y. So we're going to replace 5 and 3. So now we have y equals a, x minus 5 squared plus 3. So to get our final equation, we need to also have that a value filled in. This a value cannot be calculated just by looking. You have to actually, do some math. Use this point as your x and y value here. So the x and y that are here are going to be substituted. So you have 0 equals a, 2 minus 5 squared plus 3. And now we are left with an equation where you just have to solve for a. So we're going to do 2 minus 5, which is negative 3, still attached to a. We're going to square this because PEMDAS tells you to do exponents first before anything else. So negative 3. Negative 3 squared is negative 3 times negative 3, which results in positive 9. So you have a times positive 9 plus 3. And to get the a by itself, we need to subtract the 3. Results in negative 3 equals 8 times 9. We need to get the a by itself, isolate by inverse operation, so we divide by 9, which results with an a value of negative 1/3. So this is what's going to go for your a value right here. Your h and k are already replaced, so now we just finalize our answer. Y equals negative 1/3. X minus your h, which was 5. And then plus k, which is plus 3. So this is the equation that if I use my calculator and graph it, I'm going to confirm that it matches all the information. So negative 1/3 plus minus 5 squared plus 3. All right, so to confirm that it has that vertex, I'm going to trace. and it should say maximum at 5, 3. So that confirms that. And then the 0 should say 0, and it's at 2, 0. So that confirms that this equation that we created is the correct answer for this problem. Good luck.